Welcome to Old Ranch at Silver Falls State Park. Formerly a working sheep ranch in the early 1900s, this seasonal old ranch overlooks a vast meadow and forested hillsides. Exposed beams and a large barn door add to the charm of this historic, spacious, and rustic venue. Inside, you will find a commercial kitchen, large centralized fire pit, picnic tables, and twin-size bunk beds lining the loft. The open floor plan is perfect for small and large gatherings alike. With the ability to accommodate up to 75 overnight guests and 100 day-use guests, this has become a popular space for weddings, family reunions, and retreats. The Old Ranch has spots for up to 30 vehicles between its two parking lots. Guests are able to pitch up to 10 tents in the surrounding moat areas. The open meadow is commonly used for wedding ceremonies or receptions, providing you a secluded space to transform for your big day. To learn more about our nightly rentals or event packages, contact one of our coordinators today. We can't wait to see you at the falls!